Hi everyone, welcome back. As you probably know, there are many ways in which you can buy USDT in Singapore. In this video, I will be showing you just one of the many ways, which is to buy USDT with SGD via Gemini. For first timers, this might sound complicated, but I will be going through it step by step so that you can buy your USDT via this method. Let's dive into it. First, download the Gemini app on your mobile phone. And of course, you will also need to have money deposited in your Gemini account. You can watch my previous video if you are unsure of how to top up SGD into Gemini. Once you got the Gemini app on your mobile phone, log in to your Gemini app. For us, we will be buying DAI because DAI is a stable coin that will not be exposed to price fluctuation. You don't want to buy Ethereum or Bitcoin to do this, because if the price of Ethereum or Bitcoin suddenly crashes while you are in the process of transferring to Binance, then you will end up having lesser amount of money to buy USDT. So now we click on buy, select once, indicate the amount that we want to use to buy the coin, then click continue, select SGD balance, and this will be the last page before your order gets sent. Once you are ready, swipe right to confirm. And okay, we have purchased our DAI. Now, let's transfer our DAI to Binance. But before that, make sure you already have an account on Binance. For those who might be very new to crypto, do note that Binance and Binance.sg are different. For this video, you will need to set up an account on Binance. If you are still unsure, you can find the link to Binance in the description box. If you already have a Binance account, go to Wallet, Fiat and Spot. To deposit DAI to Binance, first you need to get your DAI address. So click on Deposit. Under Crypto, go to the drop-down box and type DAI. Now, go back to your Gemini. At the home page, go to Transfer, Withdraw from Gemini. Choose DAI as the currency. And over here, we will need to input the address that we want to transfer to. So go back to your Binance. You can see here is ERC20, which just means that it will transfer your coins via the Ethereum network. And below is your DAI address, which you will need to paste over at Gemini so that Gemini can transfer your DAI over to this address. Click on the copy icon to copy your address. Go back to Gemini and paste your address in. Do not attempt to manually type the address on your own, because if you happen to type your address wrongly, you might risk losing your coin. So now, type the amount that you want to transfer. Then do a final check, and once you are ready, click Request Withdrawal. Do the necessary authentication, and alright, now we just have to go over to Binance and wait for our DAI to arrive. To check the transfer progress, go to Wallet, Transaction History. Okay, so here you see my DAI has already arrived, which only takes a few minutes. Now, the last step is to convert DAI to USDT. To do that, go to Market, under Spot Trading, choose Fiat Market, then select DAI. And you can see the first one, USDT/DAI, and this is what we want. Once you are on this page, buying USDT with DAI is very straightforward. Just set the price you want and the amount of DAI, and then click Buy to submit your order. I suggest that you set the price at 1 or slightly below 1 so that you don't get yourself shortchanged. For example, you can see that I will get around 0.08 more USDT if I set the price at 0.9999. Once you are ready, click on Buy USDT and wait for your order to be fulfilled. And that's it. This is how you buy USDT with SGD via the Gemini method. Lastly, before you decide to go through this route, here are some things which you can consider. If you know other methods of buying USDT with SGD, Do a calculation first to see how much USDT you will receive after considering the DAI to SGD rate and the commission fees of 1.49% on Gemini. Usually for me, I will compare it with the P2P rate on Binance. If I get more USDT on Gemini after comparing the P2P rate on Binance, then I will buy USDT with SGD via Gemini. Hope you find this video helpful and I will see you in the next video.